Morning everyone, up here today at our windmill project. We're back here finally. So previous video was us digging the trench from the service fuse box, or the point of service from SA Power Networks, digging the trench all the way along through the garden bed underneath this pavers, bringing it up here. We're going to pour a small concrete pad to house the freestanding board on plinth, and then dig a conduit run across for a sub mains to come up sort of 100 mil past the gas pipe and the telecoms pipe. So we're going to get trench dug, elbows in, pour this little slab, come back in about a week's time, mount our board and our plinth, get this wired up, get the sub mains into the board, and then on the 20th of this month we're going to have SA Power Networks come out and do the connection. So it's an unfused consumer mains, so the fuses will be located in the switchboard here, and then running a three-phase sub mains into this switchboard here, which has got obviously multiple supplies in it. So rip all of that bottom stuff out, another board in there, and then balance the load three-phase across all circuits. Probably bring some of these other circuits down to put a three-phase main switch in the top of it as well, but we'll do that next week. I think we're coming back to do that, so that will be fun as well. All right, so we'll get this underway. I'll time lapse this part, and then yeah, I'll touch back in with you shortly. Thanks for watching. What's happening, guys? Back now. We dug the trench. There was 2 lots of pavers, so there was obviously the top layer that's been removed, and then there was an additional set of pavers underneath those pavers, about 150 mil below those pavers there now. So got the trench dug, conduits up in, ready to rock and roll for when we do that next week. We made up a little form to sort of sit the switchboard, the freestanding board and plinth on that. So it's going to concrete that in now, get that finished off, and then we'll come back probably in 4 or 5 days, mount the board in, start wiring that up, get some cables across into there. So I'll just put this on time lapse for a bit, and we'll see how I go doing my first ever bit of concrete. It's tiny as, so nothing too major can go wrong, I would have thought. So cool. All right, get into it. So we've poured our ginormous slab, so just got that down now, screwed that off. It's probably a little bit wet, I think, I don't know. Square off the house. Just gonna tidy up, and then once it's sort of sets up a little bit, we'll take the forms off and just get a bit more of a better finish. But yeah, that's where the switchboard will sit. So come up alright. So it's going to do a bit of a tidy up now around the place, but not bad for a Monday morning. We done a quote this morning for a large sort of alfresco veranda area, bunch of downlights, ceiling fans, deck lights, strip heaters, outdoor kitchen, range hoods, all the provisions for that. So we've got that coming up as well. Got a large 140 meter cable pull for a bore pump up at Tunkillo, I think, or Mount Pleasant, somewhere up there. So we've got that sorted as well. Waiting on the quote back for that one. But yeah, anyway, we'll just tidy up a little bit here, and then hopefully, even if we have to go away, get some lunch and then come back once that slab's set up a little bit. Definitely, I think looking at it now, it definitely looks a bit too wet though, but not bad, not too bad for the first attempt anyway. But anyway, I think it will come up fantastic. All right guys, we'll catch up with you in a little while.